What's up, YouTube? Today we have 2011 Cadillac STX. I have fault code C, stand for communication, 0710-42, steering wheel angle signal, calibration not programmed, and C0710-5A, steering wheel angle signal not pulsable. So let's go ahead and see if we can do quick calibration. And okay, power steering type, select variable effort, check others, read information, special function. Guys, if you can see or not, this is a sunny day. Alright, special function, automatic brake lead, brake pressure sensor, calibration, steering wheel angle. Okay, right, align front wheel straight and center the steering center. Yeah, okay, so let's make sure the steering wheel. Right, so the steering wheel is already straight. Okay, so please confirm button to start the process. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start the process. Communication, please wait for a second. Okay, procedure complete. Okay, so now go ahead and let's see if we still have the code. Okay. Alright. So now the code says history, and the slippery one is not faulted anymore. So let's go ahead and clear the code and clear fault code. Hit OK. Okay. Yep, fault code is completed. And now we have no light. See you in the other video. Thank you for watching.